Welcome to the Lambus tutorial on the powerful booking feature that simplifies your travel planning. Let's discover how you can easily find and book tours, hotels, rental cars, flights, and more right from the app. First, let's visit the shopping section of the app. You can do this by tapping on the middle item in the tab bar. Now, let's find the trip you want to enhance with bookings. Choose one of your active created trips. Lambus takes it from here. The algorithm will start searching for offers for tours and activities, hotels and apartments, rental cars, flights, and public transport based on your specified data. It will then give you a first price overview. If you do not receive any transportation offers, it is probably because you have only entered one stop in your trip. Add your start location to see matching offers. Let's explore the offers in a specific category. For example, if you're interested in tours and activities, simply tap on that area. Here you will find detailed information about the respective offers. Once you've found something that suits your travel plans, Lambus will seamlessly redirect you to our renowned partners, where you can make the booking hassle-free. But wait, there's more! In this view, you can also find your saved searches or add more stops to get offers for them. With Lambus Booking, you can enhance your travel experience, access the best deals, and book with confidence, all within the app. Thank you for watching this Lambus tutorial. Now you know how to make your travel bookings smarter and more convenient. Enjoy your journey.